Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to return Temu items in Canada. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Temu account, come at the top, click on orders and account, and when you get this drop down, come here, click on your orders. And from here you'll see all the orders on this page, and then I want you to go ahead and identify the Temu items that you want to return, and then you just click on return/refund. They'll ask you if you have received your package. Now since we're returning the item, just go ahead and click here on yes, you've received them. And then here you'll see you can select the items you want to return. Let's say you want to return this one, and of course you need to select a reason for returning. So come here and choose a reason. Let's say it is missing or broken parts, or item no longer needed, whatever it is. And depending on what you choose, you need to go ahead and upload a photo or video and write some information about what exactly has happened, right? Any comments? These are needed. Anything in an asterisk is needed. And then you just go here and click on next step and follow the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. They're straightforward. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.